Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up rank tracking in SERPWatcher. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To set up rank tracking in SERPWatcher, begin by visiting the SERPWatcher website. Log into your SERPWatcher account using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, create one by following the sign-up process. Once logged in, you will be directed to the main dashboard. Click on the Projects tab located in the left-hand menu. Next, click on the button labeled Add New Project. Enter a name for your project in the designated field. Then, input the website URL for which you want to track rankings. Select the search engine you are targeting from the available options. You may also choose specific locations if needed. After entering the required information, click on Create Project to proceed. Once your project is created, navigate to the Keywords tab. Here, you will add the keywords you want to track. Click on the Add Keywords button to begin. Input each keyword in the provided field, separating multiple keywords with commas. You can assign a specific tag to each keyword for better organization. After entering all keywords, confirm your entries by clicking Save. Now, go to the Settings tab to configure your tracking preferences. Choose the tracking frequency that suits your needs, such as daily or weekly updates. You can also set up notifications to alert you of significant ranking changes. Once you have configured your settings, click Save Changes to apply them. Now, return to the dashboard where you can see an overview of your project. Monitor your rankings by checking the Rankings section regularly. This section will display your keywords along with their current positions. You can analyze trends over time using the graphs provided. If necessary, revisit the settings or keywords to make adjustments. Now you are all set to track your website's rankings with SERPWatcher. Check back often to see how your keywords are performing. Optimizing your content based on this data can help improve your rankings. With these steps, you're ready to effectively track your SEO progress. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.